Adding a product in ClickFunnels is essential for setting up a sales funnel to sell your offerings. Here's a step-by-step guide. Access your funnel. Log into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the funnel where you want to add the product. Open the funnel settings. Select the funnel step where the product will be added. Click on Products from the top menu of the selected page. Add a new product. Click Add Product and select your payment gateway. If no payment gateway is connected, go to Account Settings, Payment Gateways to set one up. Configure product details. Enter the product name, price and currency. Set billing options. Add product descriptions or text for easy identification. Customize post-purchase actions. Configure actions like email notifications or redirects to upsells or thank you pages. Optionally, enable fulfillment integrations for physical products. Save and test. Save your product settings. Test the funnel to ensure smooth functionality and payment processing.